wearing hallo. He will help little girl, he will save her young soul when she steps out of the edge. Blizzard, blizzard, why are you so strong? Innocent people, innocent world cannot handle all of this. Who will save the little girl? Who can handle this debris? And the cold desert will cover all around. A young girl is just sleeping, don't think about anything bad that would happen to her. Man in a white tuxedo takes care of her.